Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over using Office Tracker on the go. When you need to check your schedule or details about an appointment on the go, the Office Tracker web client is here to help. The web client comes with Office Tracker. It allows your users to log into their schedule from just about anywhere with a web browser. Your users can access their schedule, view details about events, check on contacts, run reports, and if they have full user privileges, they will be able to add, edit, and delete events. Let's look at a couple of real-world scenarios where the Office Tracker web client is very beneficial. Our first example is a service company that sends multiple technicians out to customer sites. For example, let's say you're a field service rep for a window coverings company and you need to get an update on a client's appointment you are on your way to visit. You can easily log into your Office Tracker web client directly from your smartphone. You can quickly locate the appointment, as well as the details about the customer. You can even access a link to a map with directions to their location right from the appointment. Do you need to see the customer's past appointments and which technician handled the appointment? No problem. You can pull up the customer's record in the Contact Manager and quickly view all of their past, present, and future appointments from one screen. Our second example is a typical small office that schedules meetings for different departments. Let's say you're a manager of a small team and you need to see your group's weekly marketing schedule report while you're out of town on business. You can log into your Office Tracker web client on the go directly from a web browser and can view your team's weekly schedule. Let's run a report to locate all appointments this month that were related to marketing. Next, let's run another report searching for the label Meeting to get a list of all the upcoming meetings. Utilizing the Office Tracker web client allows you to stay in the loop and on top of your schedule even when you're away from the office. Gone are the days of having to call into the office to have an assistant or coworker look up information about an appointment for you. With the Office Tracker web client, your schedule, details about your appointments, and your customer's contact information is always with you. That about covers it for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload a new video tutorial. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your Office Tracker software. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!